UAVS stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this brief short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. As I'm looking at Ageagle Aerial Systems, definitely pumping, 18% increase. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I have seen what's making me money and what is not. Especially, I mean, even with this thing, wanted to see a double break, saw that there. If you don't believe me, here's the proof. This video was made 29th of January. Here's how that looked like. It was 254 at the time, then reached beneath 145, even lower now. You know, we're 152 now. I was like, I know it's pumping, but if there's a double break still willing to take it down, it's gonna definitely change if I do see breaks above 165 though. So because we're not gonna consolidate between these two levels forever, one is gonna give, and what's gonna give first, it's what determines how I'm gonna approach and take it next. So I'll keep you updated, and if you do want to learn how I make 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free mess, and I'll see you in the next one.